In real estate terms, it is always said that the main issue is location, location, location. Situated in the heart of the Pretoria CBD, at the intersection of Paul Kruger and Pretoria Streets, 1 block from Church Square, this property is well positioned to take advantage of our capital city. Being perfectly located to participate in the Inner City Rejuvenation Master Plan, which is part of the Tshwane 2055 vision, this envisages the redevelopment of the city along the lines as determined by the City of Tshwane. The 2 corridors of intended development and investment, being along Paul Kruger and Church Streets, will be seen as the core of the nation's executive capital, where the National Government Head Office administration is housed. And in the middle is our subject property, situated perfectly within the strategic area where these 2 corridors meet. It is therefore feasible to accept that the subject property will be a prime consideration for national government in terms of leasing office space. The property situated at IRF 3301 Pretoria is known as the Presidia building, at the intersection of Paul Kruger and Pretoria Streets in the CBD. It is a freehold property comprising an office tower with B+ grade office space and comprehensive ground floor retail development. The land area is 2,552 square meters and the GLA is 12,712 square meters. The building structure is conventional steel reinforced concrete with floated concrete floors, finished with ceramic and porcelain tiles. The walls are brick, plastered and painted with curtain walling externally. The roof is waterproofed concrete. Zoning for this property is special. The majority of current tenants are mainly national, commercial and corporate. The building has 278 parking bays over 3 basement floors, which equates to 2.23 bays per 100 square meters of space. This centrally situated property is easily accessible through a well-established road network. There is a number of public transport options available in the vicinity of this building. Comprising of an office tower with ground floor retail and 3 levels of underground basement parking, the property is considered fully developed and obtains bulk services from the local municipality. The improvements to the property comprise 3 distinct portions, namely an office tower, ground floor retail and basement parking. The retail stores are divided between street front stores and a small arcade area. The arcade provides walk-through access from Paul Kruger Streets to Pretoria Streets and also leads to the entrance lobby of the office tower. Situated at the center of the building is an atrium that stretches the entire height of the building. The atrium provides natural light to offices facing the inner space. Chezanyama and McDonald's occupy the 2 prominent street front stores facing Pretoria Streets and Kruger Streets. Both have long-term lease agreements. Entrance to the 8th story office tower via the arcade is controlled by a security reception area in the ground floor lobby. 2 banks of lifts comprising 2 lifts each provides for vertical access from ground floor to the 8th floor. One of the lifts has a slightly larger cart and doubles as a goods lift. The lifts have been serviced and repaired since Delta took occupation of the property. Repairs included replacement of the gearboxes, leaving the lifts 100% operational. The air conditioning has been recently upgraded to a new closed system located on the roof. New ducting has been installed throughout the building and all office and retail stores are now provided with energy-efficient conditioned air. The office tower comprises an 8-story structure which is flexible in terms of tenant requirements. The building layout offers the possibility for each floor to be leased to 2 different tenants. With certain modification, these facilities could be subdivided even further. Communal bathrooms are located on each floor. Access to the basement parking is via Paul Kruger Street. The potential for a building in this location is vast. With the overall inner city rejuvenation master plan in place, there is no doubt that this is an important investment in the capital city. Further information can be obtained from the downloadable investor pack on this website. The refundable registration fee for participation in this tender sale is 1 million rands. This property will be going on tender on the 24th of February at Summer Place, Hyde Park, Sandton.